welcome to my channel. Today let me tell you about few more books of my collection which are not my favorite ones, but as they are part of my life, so I wanted to share with you all. And today it will be like 3 language of books: Bengali, then Hindi, then English. And whoever are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin the video. Okay, so the first book is Subhash Ghore Fere Nahi by Shyamol Bosu. So this book tells about the incident of Subhash Chandra Bose's life, the report that tells his death in a plane crash, and it is true or false. You need to know it by reading the book completely. If you're really interested in his life and you know the language Bengali, please go through this book. It's a really beautiful one. That's why I kept it in the first number. Next is another Bengali book, that is Sheshir Kobita by Rabindranath Tagore. You must be knowing Tagore. He's a well-known poet. So this book tells about the love story between Amit and Lavanya in 1920s. It's a very beautiful, heart-touching story, and do go through this book. Third is another Bengali book, that is Subarnalata by Asha Purna Devi, and this book is the second part of the trilogy written by the author. This particular book tells about Subarna, who is an Indian married woman, and she suffers through her marital life as she always struggles in finding the equality between men and women in the rights that the both gender receives. And she is being forced to do some work, follow some rules which are set out by the patriarchal society. So it's a true book in which she struggles to get her rights all through her life. So please read this book. I really loved it. Next book is Koshish by Gulzar, and it's a Hindi book. This book tells about a couple with hearing and speech impairment and also their struggles in raising up their own son. It's a very emotional story, and go through this one. I hope you will love reading it. Next book is an English book named as Youth, Arise, Awake and Know Your Strength, written by Swami Srikantananda. So it's a very pocket-sized book. This book is a motivational book, and it tells the importance of education, willpower, strength and character in our life. Read it. Please. I hope you will learn a lot about your life. Next book is Science and Religion, written by Swami Ranganathananda, and this book is very motivational one. In this, the author successfully portrays out the way of attainment of a synthesis of thought in these two apparently divergent streams of human inquiry, that is science and religion, and how relevant these two are in human life today. It's a very beautiful book. Do read it. Next is an English book that is named as World's Best Boyfriend. Yes, the name is very interesting. It's written by Durja Datta, and this book is a very heart-touching love story between Ananya and Dhruv. It tells about love, friendship, betrayal and hatred that existed between these two. Do read it. It's a fictional book, and I hope you will enjoy reading it. Next is Someone Like You, written by Nikita Singh and Dhruv Datta. It's a contemporary novel that revolves around the lives of 5 people who are struggling to find a right path in their life. These 5 people are named Niharika, Tanmay, Akshat, Karthik and Pia. It's also a very interesting story a fictional one. Do read it. I hope you will enjoy reading it. So next is Revolution 2020. It's written by Chetan Bhagat. It's about love, corruption and ambition. So this book tells about three childhood friends, Gopal, Raghav and Aarti, who struggles to find love, success and happiness in Varanasi. And as it's not easy to attain these three in unfair society of today, so they suffer a lot of corruption. It's again a fictional one, so do read it because you're gonna enjoy it. Next book is One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat. So this book is a crazy story of love, dreams, career and feminism in modern India from a girl's point of view. I found it very interesting reading it, so do read it. I hope you're going to enjoy it. So the next book is Love in the Reality, written by Hardik Dhamija. So this book is again a fictional one. So it tells how Drishti Roy's life story affects Aditya's life and makes him realize what love is actually. That is rejection of practical and adoption of reality. I hope you're gonna enjoy reading this book. So next book is Dare to Win by Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen. So this book gives you a plan of developing confidence and self-esteem, which is very much required to think like a winner and always be daring to conquer your fears and accept the challenges that you get. So this book is for everyone, no matter what your personal goals are. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. I also love sharing these kind of videos with you all. So bye for today, and I promise you all that I'm going to return with my next video very soon. Thank you.